Ever wondered what Linux is? Ever pondered the question how this open-source operating system, with commands like ls for listing directory contents, cd for changing directories, rm for removing files or directories, and sudo for executing commands with superuser privileges, has come to be known for its reliability, security, and flexibility? This journey, dear listener, isn't just about an operating system, but also its powerful and versatile commands. It's a journey of collaboration, innovation, a dash of the unexpected with each line of code. So buckle up, because we're about to take a ride through the history and development of Linux and delve into its command line magic. Imagine the year 1991. The world is a very different place. The internet is in its infancy, and a young Finnish student named Linus Torvalds is about to change the digital world forever. Torvalds, dissatisfied with the available operating systems, decides to create his own, and thus Linux is born. But what exactly is Linux? In essence, it's an open-source operating system modeled on the Unix system. But unlike Unix, Linux is not a commercial product. Instead, it's maintained by a collaborative group of developers from around the world. At the heart of this operating system lies the Linux kernel. Acting like a bridge, it manages hardware resources and allows different software programs to run simultaneously. Then there's the bootloader. The two most common bootloaders for Linux are Lilo and Grub. These programs manage and execute the kernel, leading to the startup of the system. Beyond the kernel and bootloader, Linux boasts an array of other components. There's the init system, daemons, graphical server, desktop environment, and applications. Each plays a crucial role in making Linux the powerhouse it is today. So, how does Linux work? Well, it uses a command line interface called a shell. This shell allows users to give commands directly to the operating system. Additionally, Linux supports various file systems, from ext4 to xfs, each with its unique advantages. One of the standout features of Linux is its process management. In Linux, processes are individual work units, each with a unique identifier. This setup allows the system to multitask effectively, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Another key feature of Linux is its user permissions. Linux is all about security, and its user permission system ensures that only authorized individuals have access to certain files or commands. Now, Linux isn't without its disadvantages. It can be challenging to navigate for beginners, and it may not support all software. However, the advantages far outweigh these minor drawbacks. Linux is reliable, flexible, secure, and best of all, it's free. As we journey through the history of Linux, it's crucial to mention its relationship with open source. Linux is the poster child for open-source software. Its code is freely available to anyone who wants to view, modify, or distribute it. This openness has led to a plethora of Linux distributions, each tailored to specific needs. And that, dear listener, brings us to the end of our journey. From its humble beginnings in the hands of a Finnish student to its present status as a global phenomenon, Linux continues to shape the world of computing. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user, Linux offers something for everyone. Before we wrap up, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Your feedback helps us create the content you love. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and who knows, you might just create the next Linux.